We're here in Bermuda. This is Bermuda port, and I have one friend to meet. She's working here. She's my teammate in a trucking field before. We'll see you later. Bermuda, my friend. Two ships here, Constellation Celebrity, and the other one is Norwegian. Check the water here in Bermuda.
Where is it?
Color green, not blue, color green. Check. Pa-picture or swimming. Check this, guys. A lot of foreigners here. They're here for vacations. Speedboat? Maybe that one is for rent. That one there. That. Beachan. The ride. Another place to show you today. Very excited. I am so excited too. I just see this one in YouTube. Now I'm here. Like dream come true. Where's the dockyard? Very nice place. After 3 days of travel from USA to here, Bermuda. This is dockyard. Welcome to the Royal Bermuda. This is dockyard. Explore. Parang Intramuros lang to. Intramuros of Bermuda. That's Bermudian chicken. With my boss. Cockfight. This Bermuda is a small island. but if you see in like small, but when you are already here, it's big. This is our ship, and these are my friends. Bago pa lang, parang maganda. Pag first, di ba? Ito na pala yung hinahanap namin. This is what we are looking for. Bermuda.
Nice.
Ito lang pala yung Bermuda dito. Ang liit lang. Guys, this is the Bermuda. This is the one they call Bermuda. The green grass. How do you call this one in your country? Bermuda. Bermuda grass.
Nagpapalit picture sa Tinder. Nag-ipit ka ba?
Yan natin to. I-slow mo natin. Ay, lakad ka dun.
Ang layo mo. Malayo mo.
This is just a piece of place. There's more. I think there's more. We're just here in front. Like Malaga. Not Malacca, ha? Malaga. Rowing. See you. Ito pwede akyatin siguro. Pwede ka pumasok dyan pag ano, papaluin ka pag liko mo. Kasi ate nag-iisa.
I-edit mo pa yan, pre.
Ha?
I-edit mo pa.
Oo.
Ha?
I-edit ko pa.
Bakit?
Oops. Bali, sama i-upload ko pa sa, sa YouTube. Naman na nabangga. Shoutout ka pre.
Shoutout sa mga ano dyan,
Mga single.
shoutout po. Shoutout.
Tramoros. Sexy naman na ito. Pala yung Bermuda, oh. Ito pala yun. Nilagyan nila ng harang. Parang airport na. Sir, kaya pa ba?
Gusto marami ka pala eh.
Ha?
Kapit lang.
Ano yun yung?
Malapit lang eh. Doon pa kami pupunta, oh. Ayun, oh. Dagat na pala yan, oh.
Andiyan na ba?
Palakarin namin.
Yan yun dyan.
Ito na yata, oh. Dagat na yun, eh.
Asa wala tayo sa swimming rod?
Yung sapa, oh.
Diyan pa rin, malinaw ko lang.
Ito yung papuntang ilog.
May palaka at saka anak ko no. Siguro
No?
ata yun.
Kitang kita, oh. Ganda ng ano, ng tubig. Napakalinaw.
Gato sa amin eh. Bermuda.
Parang ilog. Saan? Yan na yan. Tropang ano, gala. Ito na yung totoong Bermuda. Beach. Ito na kami. Ito totoong Bermuda na.
Karabaw to, karabaw.
Walang ahas dito.
Mga ano, 20 minutes walk.
Pero walang, kaya nga maraming daga dito
Ito yung beach.
ng ahas. Hindi nabubuhay yung ahas dito.
Yes. Oh! Ito pala yun. Front tama yung trans. Baba kami. Yun, dapat dito kan tayo dinadala. Ang ganito yun. High tide yata ngayon. Di tayo nakapagdala ng ano, mangga ah. Tapos gin. Yun. Duyan mo na. Duyan mo na. Pagod na pagod sila. Asa hello? Check this. This. This is the end of Bermuda. Check it out. Nice.
Lentik ako eh.
Dito. Going back. Hello. So yan, museum.
Shopping.
Uy, automatic. Shopping pala, hindi museum. Check this place. Papasukin namin yun sa loob. He said it's like a jail. What? Long time already. Assembly. Parang ano nga ito? Yung assembly ng mga nakakulong, no? Ito ay canyon.
Oh, yeah. Quiet, yeah.
Wanna take a picture? Ah, here.
There's the canyon.
Naka-apply set.
I'm here. Shoot. Sikat na kanina.
Ah, restaurant.
Saan pumasok? Pasok ka na.
Ano ba?
May malaki.
Restaurant? I will check. I'll just to check this restaurant. Restaurant.
Yan yung malaking chimney. Malaking chimney.
Check. Bakit? I don't know if it's wine or liquor. Yeah, yes, go. Going back before 3, I'm going back. Maybe 3:30 like that. Yeah. Tour guide.
You guys are best friends.
May entrance. 42 years.
Anong meron dyan sa museum?
Yung ano, kung bakit daw lumulubog yung mga barko at mga ano.
Oh? Talaga?
Nandiyan yung explanation. Nakapasok na kami dyan. Tsaka nanood kami ng dolphin course na.
Ah. Snorkeling beach. Natin. Sir, kamusta ang Bermuda?
Malamig na mainit.
Nakita mo ba yung mga Bermuda?
Puro Carabao grass. Walang Bermuda grass.
Pinunta namin Bermuda grass. Yun talaga pinuntahan namin dito. Balik na kami. Okay naman yung place. Pero yung place na Bermuda. Babae ka ng $80. Ikot-ikot lang kami, tapos punta dun sa seaside. Ganda, nice experience. Sunod achievements din.
Na kayo ni Mr. Menjeta.
Gano'ng pakiramdam. Next, Europe na ulit.